no more for me spray forest and so. I Missing a number of food, you bet my side. Say a forest were protected and one quantum. Yes, it was soon and I more beyond forest with him. Galamsey for the machine or honor. Yes, spray hoina. No more jamomo. What I say? And yes, sir, yet he has no must say forest in Ina. That's the only way. What I say? And see, maybe a man suggestion, no, young for Musad, and as a Wagner. And I am Coco Wagner for be back with the Burkina. I can another pass Mamma. Say, you know, Maba. As you are who me, okay, no more Ababua or Munier. Well, so, I once says Uncle Fono, terrorist in the start here. No Munchimin, no Marco for insecurity. Now, Galamsey for no mere terrorist. More than terrorist. Ntian kofa sa for insecurity for no. Here ma Ghana soldier for meda be makam. O magic akra of forest where police for no dia ma back. No metra se. Here for insecurity. When you soldier ni na war forest wa. O mo hwie chemicals ni gu ha. Me so o mo kwa human mosquito kwe. Ye hwie gu your forest no. Wo obewuram dia obewu. Enya sa ye to be stop here ten crime here stop Galamsey na amam for ho. And it is enough. Over me da say na o ma ten kan stop Galamsey no on paper and no more stop it. Of course. Wo munim so o man kasa no nkofo na eye. Na mo yenye bibi ne kan kire Ghana fo no hu sampe ka say be say enti anamo no na etu. Right. From mpo nkrade no me ne kwa mo ye so mu tu Galamsey ase. Na eye me ya pa say osaje futi baby an rebe ho. Meaning the black man is no more capable of managing his own affairs. No more. Now who are so Osaji for Rebel and ne the Edro no Kagana for soldier for what do bet by a manabroso. Okay. No soldier any chrono no say president Namuno when you're ready to be to us here. When you some minister no you're ready and to a minister no call for I think that the question has got to do. No one commodity if he has here in the next few minutes. The 2 year youth you have to stay and stick. The issue has got to do with the creation of some fake social media accounts. Social media, among for creating accounts or more affiliated with some tribes. There has been a recent rise in social media accounts or more creating and more day we and low youth, we a Gandangbe youth, Ashanti youth. Why who progress, bono people what? Fante, Sawasha. So many of them, Boko citizens, Dagomba, and some of them are positively advancing their culture. Some of them are advancing their cultural heritage and more values. Not them. But majority of them are stoking ethnic fire. Because omuye incognito, omushe bebi unimno, and we're creating our day. Ethnic group be there to so. Maybe crowd amuni Ghana. Maybe so Ghana haya, but a DB anyhow. And we're creating particularly TikTok. And all stocky fire. A bit more air fresh some other ethnic groups a dogs. A bit more the cats. A bit more for be chimpanzee. Or more frail more other ethnic group no. The chimpanzees are coming. One of the chimpanzees has just commented. One of the chimpanzees has just posted. Or refer to other ethnic group. You see lessons from Rwanda and other countries. Say ya maye ni anko hua. Sa niema we are ekofa attack biba otechiman. People planned on social media to do and they did. It manifested in real life. Ntisi our national security, cyber security, National Signal Bureau did the office na mojijiska. Baby I didn't do na me de some penny so TB. Somebody sent me a voice note from Goso. 2 weeks before an attack on a particular ethnic group, and Pamukuku Abrantieno. They planned on WhatsApp. Omatic groups are restricted. Some of them have Telegram. Over 20,000 ethnic group members are more planning. Because Enkane no nanka obi ntimi be yi nanimo ntina social media. And now we jina bontin wo market no say mekwa kuku ethnic group for ye beche no. But say obetima facilitate easily our social media obi enho no. No wa gather nipa na o incite a man for sensitive comment or make here. Ye didi other ethnic groups at them. And say ya the very delicate piece I enjoy. And one day ni ahye ethnic group ba ko abufu a na omo so asori ka etwam na omo ahye no say ye maka we mfa ye krum ekoso. It is not the political actors obi amfa omo ho but eye ethnica ye ni moman said ye ethnicity ne ye tribalistic ye situation city ye ma ye ni na ho TikTok, Facebook, WhatsApp obi nim se mentimi ye ntimi nhome na wo hye achi na odidi ethnic group bi atem na odidi tribe bi atem we mu de omo ye moa we so we mu na oman ne kromo na e ma ne nkoso na o hye omo bufuo. We have to be very careful and security agencies munyai abronye ne hwan ne am emfaso obi ani so abronya ono dem ne nko mon fom ani nko ho motete office bureau cyber bureau edia kese nko a corruption nko a na modete Ghana niam ekoso mu ya aware say a lot of the conflict ekoso enough no WhatsApp no mo plot bibia but munim panyefo bi o signal bureau kra ontimi mia mouse kra ontimi mia but o say ono ye cyber security expert. Amen kwa humane so na memfa 2 minutes ni enkomo bi sesi a. Hello opemso. Hello. Na opemso otemenka.
Metonka pa uba.
No pa bibia boko de.
No pa nyame adum bibia boko.
Fantastic. Sesi a ugina he.
Sabe de my daddy team Apostle School of Arts and Science. Awushi no ehona ka di mitina.
Okay. Anopay esena mood no esi etie wo ho yenim say free nra announcement ne beto edwabesi ene no dodo na aboto se na ehote
na mentia afefo ni atiko nyina sabe ya no pay ni ebedi team ewo school ati ne efete ebehwe na yene empedifo no di school na nim said omo situation na omo muda say omo said omo papa team no tie esa na yebedru ase no aha aye center what before no exam na omo chiro no aha aye center eno so eka aban yi aka ho a sabi de school for no exam into no yebedru ase no de security wa ha say no empenifor na omo di school na enu na obi atutu obi ani da mojem na ugbot team set at no kasa because of what for no say almost throw chance in no amon pese mu ni obi abaye interview the any school ba kope na wa ha say fa di schools bi na akeko mu abuma omo nyina wa ha say ya almost because of a higher center no amaka train say almost train ala ibetimi aken agmo amatre pese na yie dia ngomon kasa bi amuni ebi nkomo ka be ya akoye se yetre pepes ne de omo ibete na omo hwe pepes no so no bi school mu ati bi mu sisi tutu ni bente na amada bi ti mu ati nti no omo se enta yi ye fa to mo na de SC ni de yeni na yoman ni na na BC aboyen nemum ahane de ka bi bi ati ya school no present into no who said then dia ekoto a eyi but teacher for no penfo no mama me afia say enye omo pe mu ni enkata nemum no said dey akoye aban mra say ahane ye omo yi say omo present what omo present into na amana basa e ta dey do be mu ase ko ni na akọ inside one mo a omo dey omo pe na assistant.
Okay, ya besan ya bai bia nru awia kakra ne se okọ efie ho nso ankomo bia oho bia na yedi. Why? Okay. No abrantie opemso na ye no edi enkomo from Apostle Safoni school ho anopay omunyina aboto but omo se omo try exam city. Yedi enkomo kakra